Okay, so let's learn how to delete file or folder with terminal. In my desktop folder, there is a file called icon.jpg. That's what I want to delete. For delete that one, I was navigated to my desktop folder in terminal, and here type rm and file name. File name is icon.jpg. So let's enter. You can see it has been deleted. In Linux OS, it may request for confirmation. For example, do you really want to delete this file? So if you get that message, you have to enter Y for confirm, N for no. So if you really want to delete that file permanently with Linux, you have to type rm minus f and file name here. Now to delete the folder, I am going to get a readout of all folders. I am going to delete this hello folder. To do it, type rm and minus and r and folder name. Press enter. Now let's ls. My hello folder is deleted. So let's delete this hello tame folder. Rm minus r space hello. There's a space in name, so backslash space udemy. Right. In Linux OS, you have to use rm minus r f and folder name for delete a folder without getting confirmation request message.